This time we will look on how to replace the default Android on an old Samsung Galaxy S Plus phone with the CyanogenMod. So first start by powering down the device. Prepare a microSD card with the CyanogenMod installation zip package and the Clockwork recovery package. Insert the microSD in the phone. Like so. When you have inserted the microSD card, start up the phone. We need to do this because the stock recovery doesn't see the external SD card, at least on my phone it doesn't. So go to My Files, go to External SD, choose the Clockwork Mod Recovery, copy and paste it into the root folder of the internal SD card, like so. Next, power down again. Next we need to boot the phone into recovery mode. Do that by keeping the volume key up pressed and pressing the power button. Keep holding the power up key. The phone should now boot into recovery mode. If it doesn't, just try again. For example, my phone was a little bit problematic in this. Now by pressing the menu key, you will get the recovery menu that looks like this. You can browse up and down with the volume keys and select with the menu key. Go to the Apply Update from SD card, press Menu and select the CMV zip file, the recovery that we will now install. The recovery has been installed. Now we can reboot the system again. The phone should now have rebooted successfully, so now you can boot into the proper recovery system again by powering off. Now the device has shut down. Now let's go to the proper recovery system again. Press the volume up and the power key. And release. Now we are starting the CMW based recovery system. So now to prepare for the update, wipe the data factory and factory reset. Now we are ready to install the update itself. So go to install zip, choose zip from SD card 1 and select the cm-11.0 zip file and press menu and confirm UTS. Now it will start installing the update. This will take a while. You can go get the coffee, for example. Now the install is complete and we are back in the menu system. Next, go back again, select the SD card 1 and pick the Google Apps package zip file and select it and confirm with yes and install it. It will go a bit faster. And now we are done. Now go back and reboot. And now it has booted for the first time. So pick your language. Set up your account or anything like that. Networking. Let's just skip this. Insert your SIM card if you haven't done that. Set up an CyanogenMod account. Let's just skip that. Let's skip that. And you can set the date. And time. And now the setup is complete. There you are, running CyanogenMod.